Alright, well, it's kind of show guy back here again, doing some, basically just basic maintenance on my car and stuff. So I figured I'd give you guys a little show of what was going on. I've built these headlights here on this thing a couple of years ago, and it's been a while since I've done anything to them. And they, obviously here in the sun and stuff, they get kind of oxidized, and so I figured I'd go ahead and give you guys take a look at them and see what you think. Anyways, you can kind of see this is the driver's side one here. You can see just how bad it is. I think it's actually the heat and stuff from like the HID kit, and you can hear how bad it is and messed up it is, and how nasty basically it is. And basically what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be giving this thing a try. See how this shit works out. Never done this one before, so we'll see how this one comes out. Basically what I do is, usually in the past, whenever I've done these, I've taken the headlights out, I've wet sanded them, got them real nice and flat and ready to go, and then taken a buffer and then buffed them out to get them all nice and clear. And then after that, they put a little bit of car wax on them, and it'll last for years that way before you got to do it again. But I wanted to try that new lens restore kit and see how it does, and if it comes out real good, I'm gonna use it on my truck. My F-150 over there, as you can kind of see, is I got some nasty headlights on it too as well. So well, anyways, let's see how this turns out. Basically, in this video is kind of think it is like a project review. So we'll see how it goes. Bye. Alright, so first step on cleaning these headlights with this McGuire's new thing. It says, we're going to basically just follow the instructions here. Set variable speed on low or medium. I have that done. I've already secured the backing plate. I guess I need to find the 800 grit now. Center and attach the 800 grit sanding disc on the backing plate. Spray liberal amounts of water on surface. Okay, so I need to go get some water. Sand using back and forth overlapping motions at a slow and steady pace, adding water as necessary to rinse away residue. Wipe lens dry with a towel and inspect. Okay, and then from there, you got to go to step 2, which is reducing the haze. You go up to the 1500 grit. You basically do the exact same thing. So this is literally just wet sanding, and basically sandpapering. Sandpapering the headlight, basically, which is what I always do. So yeah, I totally didn't need to buy this kit. I have everything here minus the drill chuck. I could have just done it by hand. Anyways, we'll see how this comes out. Okay, so this is the driver's side after I've done the 800 and 1500 grit. You can see how nice and fogged over and hazy it is. And it's smooth to the touch and such, but that's a little bit of water on my fingers what's causing that. But it's smooth to the touch. And now I'm going to hit it with the 3000 grit wet sanding. So let's see how this works out. Alright, so here it is after the 3000 grit on the driver's side. You can just kind of see it's got a nice even haze all around. And next up is going to be the polishing. So see how that comes out. Alright, and now here it is after a good little polish with the mother's polish and the polish ball that it comes with. See, here is the mother's polish, which is this stuff right here. Stuff does wonders. It took everything that was on that headlight clean out. Now I'm just wondering how long this will last, so that's going to be the test of time here. I've also got my other truck over here to do, so I'm gonna end up doing that here in a little bit too as well. But it's kind of like 106 degrees out here right now, so I'm kind of done with that and going back inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this edited up and basically see how it comes out. Bye.